Hi everyone and welcome back into my channel. In the video I will use this amazing app, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you the first part of this tutorial. Let's go guys! So today is so important for me because I'm opening now a new series in my channel, so please stay with me until the end of this video guys. Should write the full name right here. Perfect, here it is, tap right here, and all you have to do guys is to tap right here again. If you are using Android, everything will be automatically. I repeat again guys, if you are using Android, everything will be automatically. In iOS you do something I will show you, but more important for me is to give a feedback, to say something about this tutorial or the way I will use this amazing app. So please say something, comment below, write in the chat box, whatever guys, just give a feedback. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, you can mail me and I will give you the right answer and solution back by mail. At 100% we will go at the settings. So guys, all you have to do is to be a little bit patient and stay with me until the end of this video. As I told you before, I will show you also how to use it, but first we have to wait for 100% and then we will go back at the settings. Okay guys, just wait a few seconds more. So after that we should go at the settings, and you see this profile pop right here. Tap it guys. All you have to do is to tap right here. As you see, next, tap again. And done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect. Everything looks just fine. So now we can use this amazing app and I will show you the first part of this tutorial. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay and enjoy the first part of this tutorial. Perfect guys, it's starting now. Everything looks just fine. So that's it my friends, see you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give any like guys, everything is working just fine. This is the first part of the tutorial. See you next video, bye bye boys and girls.